Hi everybody, I am doing an exciting unboxing today. It is just shipped and I'm so excited to open it. This was overnighted to me, thankfully, and it's been a long day, so if my makeup looks terrible, I cannot tell. I don't have my glasses on. This is how it's wrapped, and oh, you can see by the packaging. I love it! So cute. This is directly from the store at the Neiman Marcus Chanel in Las Vegas. Oh. This is a different packaging. I've never seen this packaging before. I'm so excited for this bag. This launched, I believe, sometime last year, 24K collection. I don't know what collection is now, but they just launched this recently, or relaunched it, had some other colors added to it. So excited. Whoa. Come on. That's how it looks. Some paper. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it's so small. This is the dust bag. Any guesses? Ta-da! This is the Chanel extra mini Coco handle, black caviar leather, gold champagne hardware. This is 25p. This is how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And Coco right there. Felt. Stuffing. More paper. There's papers on the pockets. Okay, so here is tag if you guys are interested. Oh, 25p. This is how it looks. On the inside, it's got 2 slip pockets and just 1 opening. If you're familiar with the Coco handles, you would know that they usually have 4 feet at the bottom. However, this one does not, and so does the SLG version. The SLG version has 3 quilts across, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's usually how I was deciphering it. And this is sold out most Chanel locations. It says Rue Cambon Chanel right there, and this is the toggle at the top. It's non-detachable compared to what they usually were. Look how freaking tiny this is. Let me do some mod shots. I am 5 feet. Oh my gosh. I freaking love. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Look how cute that is. Oh, she's so tiny. Literally so tiny. Like, this is my hand and I have fairly small hands. Look at that. But I love her. The bigger sister of this has feet at the bottom, but it's $2,000 more, which is crazy. This is just a Chanel card holder. Fits just fine. This is a 16 Pro Max. It does not fit. It will not fit even without a case. I believe a 16 Pro or just a 16 could fit without a case, but not the Max. But yes, you guys, this is she. I can do more of an in-depth comparison with the Chanel Kelly, which is another very popular in-trend bag. Oh, it's so cute. The champagne gold is so stunning. I hope that the video is capturing it. You have the Mona Lisa smile pocket in the back. This is how it looks. The chain is not detachable, nor is it adjustable. It's very thin, still interwoven leather, and the turn CC lock. There's the Chanel Paris little stamp right there. She is so cute, and I don't have black bags in my collection, so she's my first black bag in my collection. Perfect night out, dinner, every day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on all my socials. I will leave them down below. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!